Once upon a time, in a kingdom blessed by gentle rains and sunlight, a sudden drought gripped the land. Rivers dried, crops withered, and the people grew desperate. But Princess Ivy, known for her kindness, refused to let her people suffer. Remembering an ancient legend, she decided to enter the Forbidden Forest, a magical place where trees could talk and animals sang forgotten songs. At the forest's edge, a soft whisper surrounded her, and soon, a grand oak tree with sprawling branches spoke in a deep voice. Princess Ivy, to save your kingdom, you must solve 3 riddles. With a determined heart, Ivy agreed. The oak began the first riddle. I am not alive, yet I give life. I am invisible, yet all things depend on me. Ivy thought carefully, recalling how the wind felt against her face. Air, she answered. The oak's branches trembled with approval. Indeed. Now the second riddle, he continued. I am constant yet never still. I am powerful, yet gentle enough to cradle life. Thinking of the river that had once flowed through her kingdom, Ivy answered, water. The oak chuckled. You are wise, princess. Now for the final riddle. I am unseen, yet I light the darkest path. I am strong, yet grow stronger when shared. Without hesitation, Ivy answered, friendship. The forest erupted in joyous song. The oak bent down, letting a single shimmering raindrop fall into her hand. This tear of the forest will bring life back to your land, the oak said. With deep gratitude, Ivy returned to her kingdom. She released the tear of the forest into the river, and soon rains fell, filling the rivers and reviving the crops. The kingdom flourished once more, saved by the courage and kindness of Princess Ivy. And from that day on, Ivy often returned to the talking forest, where she found not only magic, but lifelong friends among the trees and animals.